What's up, OFR? Thank you so much for joining me in my channel today. And today I want to do the grand episode on Pottery Barn in Winter Park area, which is one of the areas that is really awesome. It's a small town here, outskirts of Orlando, central Orlando. So today is actually the day where we're opening up to the public, and I want to show you guys this store, how beautiful it is. So come walk with me. So right here we have some lifestyle. We have some really cool beds. So when you guys relocate and you guys need a home or an apartment, you guys can actually come get your bed here and all your bedding. So come on, let's walk around. So we have so much stuff that you guys have, so much ideas. We have some outdoor cups that you guys can enjoy when you have friends over. You have some flowers, you have some dining, beautiful setups with linens, and so much things that you guys can use for any event. And I know when you guys relocate, you guys will have so much people coming down here to visit you guys, so you guys can pick up some stuff here for your home. But look how beautiful this home is. It's actually spacious. It has so much lighting that you guys can see everything, the lantern, the pillows, the outdoor pillows. We have some outdoor tables and just some beautiful, dinnerware that you guys can actually use. So come on, let's go. Stairway. Actually, this used to be a theater back in the days, but actually now it's a furniture store. So look how beautiful it is. We have so much more here for you guys to buy. So we have some sofas. If you have a small little apartment, we have definitely some really cool pieces that will fit your space. Oh my God, this is so awesome. And this is so beautiful. Look how awesome. You have different lifestyles, that we have sectionals, we have chairs, we have so much here. We have pillows, we have like drapes, we have our drapes, and we also have our rugs, but we have so much more here for you guys to see. Alright guys, so as I was telling you guys, this is the upstairs of Pottery Barn. You have some really beautiful sectionals that you guys this is actually the Big Stir. It's one of our latest collections. Very large, very comfortable, and then we also have tons of beds here for you guys to choose from. So whatever you guys choose from a queen, from a king, you can definitely see all the beds here. So you have so much different beds here, different collections with different headboards. So any size that you're looking for, we have full, queen, king size. They all get delivered to your home, and you can actually purchase it here while you're actually shopping for your new apartment, your new house, your townhome if you bought it. If anything, you guys can actually come here and ask questions and just purchase your items here. So I hope you guys have it, beautiful. You guys can see how awesome it is. It's so bright. So much collections to actually look for. Alright guys, as you know, if you don't know, Pottery Barn has a free service called Design Studio. So if you don't know how to design or buy some pieces for the things that you actually are bringing here in Central Florida, we have a design studio that you can actually come and visit one of our designers here in Pottery Barn in Park Avenue, Winter Park. And it's actually here, so you're able to sit down with one of our designers. It's totally free. They're actually gonna start looking at your floor plans and looking at your sizes of your rooms, and they can actually suggest different pieces that we have here in Pottery Barn that you're able to buy. Enjoy your space here in Central Florida. But look at all the different woods. We have the leathers for each sofa, and then we have the different fabrics that we actually we have for our sofas. So you have so much to look for. And then we have the different rugs that you can actually choose. So you have so much to choose from. So I hope to see you guys here, Pottery Barn in Winter Park. Thank you for watching. Comment below if you like this video, and I'll definitely bring some more. Talk to you guys later.